Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change default font Google Docs. Open your Google Doc. There, select the text. Click on Font, and from the list, choose the new font to use. After that, click on the Format menu, drop down Paragraph Styles, and open Options. Here, choose Save as My Default Styles. This will change the font in Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.